What's up guys, Jake with NorCal Steel Buildings. This is our last skew cut we're going to make on a PBR 26 gauge panel for this job. So I'm going to show you guys that, and then I'm going to show you the wall before we cut this and after we cut it. And I'll turn this camera around and show you the wall real quick. So as you can see, all these cuts, these skew cuts were made with the Wachtel panel cutter. And we're going to do this last sheet and show you how we skew cut. So first off, I'm gonna scribe my line. I got my measurements, and this is something I wanted to address here. This is the gripper knife blade of the two blades, and it's basically a slitter, and this is going to be the drop side of my cut, which means the waist. So I want to try and get this gripper wheel or knife on that side of the cut, because it does mar and it does take some paint off. So this is something to think about when you're using it, because even though you're going to probably use this where trim's going to be covering most of your cuts, you want to make sure to practice stuff like that and be aware of what's going to happen. I'd rather have this side of my cut that's going to stay the cleanest if I can help it. So I made my marks. I usually get a level for a straight edge and the square pencil. I'll just mark this real quick. Stay flat with your level. Then you're going to get to see how this actually works. Probably always going to use this Wachtel panel cutter for skew cuts on end walls. PBR panel, classic rib. Pretty sure IC72, I haven't done that yet, but I will show you guys that when the time comes. Helps out a lot if you subscribe to our channel. We're trying to build it up, but of course don't if you don't enjoy the content. So we appreciate it.